Hello guys, hello girls, and I welcome you to the new video of Science News. My name is Placiu Doctor. Like the Nanowood, radiation in Europa, jumping snake from USA. It's the best of science from this week. Lighting Nanowood. New Zealand and Swiss scientists made lighting Nanowood. That's a wooden waterproof coating what during UV irradiation is lighting. You can make it from balsa wood. You have to remove lignin and half of hemicelluloses, then fill your semiconductor nanoparticles, quantum dots, after you well dry a hydrophobic layer. Radiation on Europa. Europa is Jupiter's icy moon, one of Galileo's moons. New research from NASA Jet Propulsion Laboratory is describing how radiation on this moon can help with studying structural ice. Because each salt compound reacts differently to radiation and are lighting different color. You can see it on this picture. The scientists are describing many sites like kitchen salt, magnesium sulfate, and more. COVID vaccination. The company Pfizer and BioNTech discovered a very effective vaccine to SARS-CoV-19. About 40,000 people completed vaccination and 90% of vaccines were successful. The tests have confirmed that vaccines are more successful than placebo. Insect shells in the Mars buildings. How many of us know Mars is not so much building materials? But scientists from Singapore University discovered new matter. It comes from the insect shell substance called quinine that they modified to chitosan and blended with regolith, stuff similar to Mars ground. This material they put to the 3D printer and print the mini Mars station. They try many combinations for the best materials. From paper to keyboard, current technology has no limits, and papered electronic is not a distant future. The team sell the Medeiros made from simple paper keyboard. It is also important mention, and that is not connected to electricity or batteries, but is charged by touch. As the first one, she used a Teflon tanket. The keyboard keeps clean. After she sprayed, for example, nickel. That she did an electric circuit. That she added a Bluetooth chip and printed the keyboard. Because it isn't powered by some battery, that has to be powered another way. For it, she took advantage of turboelectric energy. That type of static energy is energy from friction. From those who find it little, in more complex electronics are planet. Jumping snake worm in USA. The worm gains immunities from Asia, which got to America in pots 100 years ago during the invasion. They are expelling native organisms like airworms, centipedes, and salamanders. The biggest cause of overpopulation is probably climate change. There are extensions in 32 states, for example California, Florida, Texas, and New Jersey. New receptors in the tentacles. The scientists discovered chemoreceptors in the octopus tentacles. The receptors are very sensitive to many chemicals. They can react to significant substances like sugars and amino acids. But the fewer substances, it is important to study another cephalopods. Okay, my friends, that's the end of this video. Please, if you like it, subscribe me. Thank you very much. Goodbye.